So we're going to show you a little bit more about this truck. The inside and out, it's completely restored. So everything you see on this truck first is original to the car. It's got the original engine, original transmission, factory original colors, and it's been restored into fantastic original condition. But besides that, the truck also drives and steers and handles pretty well. It's also registered in Holland, so it's got Dutch plates. So you can just step in the truck and drive it. Take a look. As you can see here in the truck bed, the complete floor has also been restored. Very nice dark oak wood floor. It's been painted in the correct color. The trunk lid is still factory original one with the hooks. Well, of course, very special. The dual exhaust, which means it's really a V8 truck. The spare tire is also underneath. Original tail lights. The car is equipped with very nice classic white striped wheels with hubcaps. And well, as you can see, the Stepside details. I'm going to open the door for you so you can check a little bit inside of the truck, which is gorgeous. It's got a two-tone interior, as you can see. The seats are covered in very nice canvas, really classic style, with these special blue colored interior, which matches the outside of the car. It's got a little tacho installed to give it a little sporty feel, because it's a V8, of course, although it's not a race truck, but it's just got a fantastic classic looking interior. It's like stepping back in time. Now, the car is equipped with a modern stereo system, which is hidden. You can't see it. It's underneath the seat. You only see the two speakers that are installed, but otherwise everything in the interior is as it was in 1965. Also, the inside of the doors have beautiful upholstery, and the headliner is also brand new, made of the same material as the seats. So there was really much attention paid to this car's restoration. All the glass, all the rubbers, all the chrome, everything on the car is in beautiful condition. It's got all the original emblems still in place. Really a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Very nice paint job with a great shine. But overall, it's also in technical, very, very nice condition. For this money, you cannot buy, let alone restore a truck like this. Well, I'm going to pop up the hood now so you can see the engine of the car. It's got a very special style to open the hood. Very classic. And there is the gorgeous, beautiful factory V8 with all the correct components installed. Some nice chrome valve covers. Factory original radiator, very clean and nice engine bay, as you can see as well. All the original components are there. The wiper also still works, the brakes work perfectly, the engine runs very, very smooth. It's been totally rebuilt, and it's just a very, very nice, very clean truck, as you can see on the video.